Okay, hello. I see you've got a couple of questions about the attributes. So to get to attributes, I'm sure you already know this, you go to products and click on attributes, and that should come up with this page here. As you can see, we've got our base name, brand, format, lens type of attributes, and you can create them in here, like just by typing in brand, the slug will automatically be created, and we don't need
It's
to
8 o'clock.
change that, and we'll set the default to name just for the thing, and just click add attribute, and that'll turn up on the right. Now if I scroll down for these attributes, as you can see with the depth, I've created 4 inches, 5 inches, 6 inches, 7 inches, 8 inches, and so on. So these numbers have all been rounded off instead of putting 4.5 and 4 and 5.6, 5.7. So we've just rounded them off. So pretty much all we need to do is duplicate all of these and put them into length. And I think there's one other, width. So this depth attribute, or actually, let's go to the length. The length attribute can be used for the Vanguard products, and like the cases and other things, and probably the tripods, the silk tripods. So we can always use attributes in more than one place. Alright, so if you want to configure or add more items to the attributes, you click on configure items. I just got a new page here because it's quicker, and these are all the items. So all you do is just add the height, I suppose, and in centimeters with the brackets. The slug will be automatically created, and you can just press enter and it'll create it really quickly. The other thing you can do is actually sort these attributes by dragging and dropping. So we'll keep that as it is because it's in a fairly good sort order. Okay, and the other thing is the attributes inside the Excel form. As you can see here, you can't create attributes on the fly by putting attribute PA lens design. First off, you've actually got to come in and create the base attribute in here, and then you're able to put PA lens design, same as here, maximum aperture. What you can create on the fly is just by putting different numbers in, or different items in each of the columns, and that'll create them automatically. The reason we use attributes is it makes it really easy to search, especially for our clients, and that's what our clients want, to get to the item they want really quickly. We've still got a lot of refining to do. So as you can see on the left hand side, the clients can just come through and click on what they think is good. Okay, and here's an example of the Vanguard, the 10 bar and the silk products. As you can see, they don't have many attributes, and it makes it quite hard because there's 79 results and you don't want to click through all the pages because it can get a bit tedious. Okay, on the last page, you said you put attributes into the silk products, but at the moment I only can see brands, so I'm unsure if they imported through or not. Just one other thing with the categories, what you can do is when you create or select the categories, you don't need to click accessories, you just click support equipment because that'll automatically show up below. The other thing you can do is add categories as well. So I'll just show you over here on the left hand side. Categories are actually over here. So if you want to create a lot of categories quickly, you go into there, but you can create them down here. So if I just go add new product category, and if I just go through and select support equipment, and I can just write tripod, T-R-I-P-O-D, and add product category. So that will automatically add a tripod product category to support equipment. So maybe we can just do tripod legs, tripod head, and something else. So you can scroll through, I'll uncheck support equipment. We've got silk selected, and then I just go through and click save draft again because it's a draft. because John hasn't put the things in. All right, thanks for listening, and if you've got any more questions, please ask.